Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable HUDL mode on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar from the home screen of our device and then open Settings menu. In Settings menu, select Sound. Then in Sound, navigate down to Audio Output Settings. Select Balance option on the list, so don't press OK, just highlight this Balance option and then enter the secret code, which is 0548 on your remote control. So just press this sequence of digits, and to enable HUDL mode, switch the first toggle to the right. And after you switch it to the right, you'll be able to adjust your HUDL mode settings. And once you turn off the TV, your personal data will be deleted. And once you turn on the TV once again, the HUDL mode will be enabled. And now we can disable it in the very same way. So in order to disable it, we're gonna have to go to the home screen first. Then on the home screen, navigate to the sidebar, Settings, open Sound menu, then go to the Audio Output Settings, highlight Balance, and then input 0548 once again, and then switch the HUDL mode off, and then restart your TV once more. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.